Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This time we're magnet fishing. We're in Falkirk, just at Lock 16. I looked on the magnet fishing Facebook page, and a few people had been here, so I thought it'd be worth us coming here. There's quite a few places we can go, as you can see, all the way along the road here. We've got the main road, and then you've got the canal that runs adjacent to it, and there's quite a lot of little bridges and locks and things. So yeah, never been here before, but we thought we'd give it a go. Yeah, we're at Lock 16 in Falkirk. So we're planning on walking our way down canal, as you can see. It's quite pleasant, lovely day, nice sunny day. And around here there's quite a lot of places where you can stand near the edge. So yeah, never been magnet fishing here before, but it looks good. Look at this. So far we've got a coin, 5p coin. Bit of metal, and this, don't really know what this is, but it's a Wallet Hero mobile phone stamp. It's like a bottle opener and stuff, so that might be quite good to keep. We've come to this bit now. Here's what we can get. Hi guys, so we've had a little bit of a tip off from somebody who checks and maintains the locks here, and he says that there's a bit downstream where people dump bikes and things like that, so we're going to head there, try our luck there.
There's one next to it. I'm going to get the other magnet on it as well.
Yeah. So we've seen something here, so we're just going to use both magnets to try and get this out. Careful, because the edge is there.
Wait, I need to see if I'm just on the other magnet. I was on the other magnet.
Yeah, we need to try and get it flat.
Huh? Oh.
It's okay, so we got our first catch of the day, our first decent catch of the day. This kid's bike here. A little bit rusty, but nice little find nonetheless. Obviously been in there for a long time, all the spokes have removed and it's all rusty. So yeah, we're going to put this by the bin, and yeah, it's another bike out of the canal. Morning guys, it's the week after and we're back in similar sort of spot, a little bit further downriver, as you can see. We're magnet fishing again. I'm going to give it a go. It's a little bit colder today. We've come to a little stretch of canal, so we're going to see what we can pick up. Draw it out a bit further. Try it again and then we move downstream if you want. See, the problem we're having with the magnet fishing today is where we've come, there's a lot of weeds at the side of the canal. It's hard to get in. There's a couple of little places like this, but then you've got rocks and stuff which the magnet's getting caught on. So we're going to continue to walk along, I think, find another place. Hi guys, so we're back at the jetty place in the end. Here, it's like a jetty, because we weren't really having much luck at the other place. There's too many rocks and too many what do you call them, weeds at the side of the canal. So this is perfect because we can fish off here. So yeah, let's see what we can get. We just fished out this chair. Actually, not that bad. There somewhere.
Oh, no. Oh, it was.
Here we go. Homemade knife. Good. I'm not just going to wash it. Is this some sort of homemade knife? There you go guys, a knife. Put that safely over here out the way. There we go. That's my hand to compare the size. Okay, so this is the finds today. Found two little balls, which are, I guess, are ball bearings. Not sure. Bit of metal. And then we've got a big washer. We also found a little washer as well, big washer. Another bit, a bit of metal. The best thing we got today, and I'm just going to pop my glove on for this. The best thing we got today by far was the knife.